I own 2 cars, and yet I'm walking around and have to take the train today. Why that? My truck is back at the shop. No, not because it's broken, but because it gets a undercarriage protection treatment. So it doesn't have any undercarriage protection, and apparently Toyota doesn't think that's necessary to put on undercarriage protection against, rust and all that. But yeah, since mine is a 2017, there was already forming some light surface rust, and so it needs some protection like yesterday. So that is being done at the shop, and I have here my license plates. I'm walking around like I stole them with the license plates, kind of weird. But those are for my other car, the Passat. Now the Passat is back at my garage and my workshop. And since none of my friends and family members are influencers, and so they have to, work at a time like this, like regular people basically, he can't take me to my second car, and so I have to take the train. And it really does show you once again that if you don't have a car where I live, you're effed. There's a train like every 3 hours. I have to wait until 11:15, and there's this one train that I can take, and then I am able to go near my workshop. Still have to walk a little bit. I don't mind a walk. It's even nice today. It could be worse. So right now it's 9 o'clock. I just dropped the car off at the shop, and until 11 we'll grab myself a coffee. We are here in a very provincial town, small little town, so the only way you can get a coffee at 9 a.m. at a Wednesday is at a gas station. And yeah, fair enough. So I'm freezing. It's like 2 degrees. So let's hop in there for 2 hours. Ridiculous. They're gonna look at me like, don't you have anything else to do on a Wednesday? I'm gonna sit there with my laptop and feel embarrassed because sitting here with a laptop that's like space modern age technology. They don't know this stuff here, so but I have to do it, Obviously I'm exaggerating, but it's still a little weird. It's not like in your regular Starbucks when you are in a big city. You sit in your Starbucks with a laptop. Most normal thing ever. Here, you're the weird kid. Nobody here. Almost. Hello. What I was doing previously, I was recording here the little clip, and the woman here, the waitress, saw it, and she thought I was recording her. So I messed that up. Coffee is always good here. This must be the influencer life, I guess. Sitting here while everyone is doing their regular job and you're sitting here drinking a coffee. I guess. Nothing wrong with that. So here we are, had a nice coffee, a little breakfast, and now I'm heading for the train station. And look how nice it got, such a nice weather. Currently it is, I think, 10:30. I mean, the train leaves at 11:15. I'm gonna be too early, but why not walk a little bit? Here we are at the train station. Let's check it out. Is there anything interesting? I doubt it. Yeah, no, there isn't. There you go. Train station. As a child, I would hang out here with some friends. So my train arrives at 11:15, and right now it is 10:47. So we gotta kill some time, but that's okay. I'd much rather wait here and be early than miss the train, which goes every 3 hours or 4 hours. Let's have a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trains to choose from. The first one leaves at 5:01 in the morning, and the last one 18:27. There's only one more option of public transport. You take the school bus, which goes when the school is out. So that's your only option then. Better not miss that one then. Let's see what's in here. That wasn't so interesting, was it? Because there are that many people going on the trains here, you have to wave to let the train know that you want to get on. So don't expect it to stop on its own. No, no, no. Okay, arrived, and now let's get straight to my workshop and put the plates on my second car, get it ready to be sold. So, loaded all the tires in, as you can see, and hubcaps. And so yeah, I will have this car 2 remaining days if everything goes well. And yeah, now I'll head home and pick my truck up on Friday afternoon. Okay, it's the end of the day. I kind of feel under the weather. I can feel I'm becoming ill. I'm catching a cold. I helped out a friend carrying lots of stuff in the cold. So yeah, that's what you get for doing such stuff. The garage has called me that they finished the undercarriage protection on the pickup, which is great, and they say they're gonna let it inside to dry for next 2 days, and I can pick it up on Friday afternoon as planned. So that's pretty good. That's amazing. So good to know that. I should have sold my other car, the Passat, by then, hopefully. And I don't know, I'll have to kind of make my way to the garage, but that's gonna be possible. So I'm once again walking around with license plates and vlogging at the same time. So if there's any way you can get attention in provincial Austria, do exactly that. Yeah, so I really have to hurry up. Holy shit, the shop is closing at 5 p.m. I just couldn't make it earlier, so if I can't get the truck now, I won't be able to have a car until Monday. That would be bad. So, OMG. Check out this beautiful autumn weather. Really nice day today. I was really lucky with the weather, you know. By the way, if you're interested how my experience was with the sale of the Passat, because I sold it to a company which buys any car, check out the other video if you're interested in that. Still a little to go, and yeah, let's do a little exercise and get the car at the same time. So, right here we have my only car at this point. Yes, I know I am a full-time pickup driver. And I'm just gonna take a look, and wow, they did an excellent job of coating it. It's still a little wet, still not fully dried just yet. But man, look at it. Isn't it a beauty? Looks like it came right out of the factory. Or well, no, the factory, they don't even apply any kind of undercoating, so you know, just take a look at it. Yes, wow, it's beautiful again. Nice. Also, nice thing they did, by the way, is they unloosened the spare tire. So in case I have to, you know, use it, it's not rusted stuck, or I can't get it off on the side of the road. So that would be bad, and they took care of that, which is really nice. Now, Toyotas are usually really good cars, but their Achilles heel basically is rust. And so if you don't protect them and don't, you know, take care of them, they will rust. And we have salty roads, and we have really strict inspection laws. And so what helps you a perfect running engine when you can't get it through inspection without spending a fortune on welding in some new steel or something? So I don't want to do that. I might try to spend the $600 and take that hit and just be safe, or well, hopefully. Hopefully you'll do me good by now, because at this point I've spent some money on this guy. Oh my god, that was the most expensive car I've ever owned. A long shot. So I think it's worth it in the end. It's a Hilux, it must be worth it, right?